This special place, with its bricks made from red clay dug on site and its roof waterproof with tar from the Brea tar pits, as well as the beautiful grounds which were once home to one of the earliest commercial vineyards in California, preserve some of the earliest stories of this region.
So we are here at the ribbon cutting of the María, Merced, Williams, and John Raines home. The Raines house is in Rancho, Cucamonga, and we are able, through our discretionary funds, to attribute over $500,000 to this program so that the next generations will be able to enjoy the importance of this area.
The second district really made this possible through funding that we allocated to a new roof and new parking lot and new fences and all of these repairs that will really make this site preserved into the future.
In recognition of your commitment to education and the preservation of history, heritage, and culture, congratulations on updates to the María, Merced, Williams, and John Raines house.
It was the first house to have air conditioning, eastern windows, 7 rooms, and it actually had water piped to her back door in the courtyard.
A huge thank you to the San Bernardino County Board of Supervisors for their continued support of our museums and our historic sites.